Hello ladies and gentlemen, and look at this beautiful sight. My motor bicycle is moist, it's wet, but the show must go on. I hope everybody's doing alright on this beautiful day. It's time for a ride. Let's go. Start this son of a bitch up. Oh no. When it gets a little wet, it tends to be a little bit slow on the startup, but it's okay. It's all right. All good. Things could be worse. Are we recording? It's a beautiful thing. All right, let me get the damn thing situated. All right, let's go nice and slow on these wet cobblestones. No need for dramatic terriblenesses. Oh, that Volvo looked nice. So how is everybody doing on this glorious Thursday? Yeah, let's call it a Thursday. I'm doing good. It literally just poured rain, and now it's moist everywhere. So we're gonna go nice and slow past all the tourisms. All the tourisms. We're gonna go this way to the right. No turn signal, but it's okay. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. Look at this photography of the wedding people. Oh boy, don't do this to me. Let me get around, brother. You gonna go or no? There we go. There we go. How is everybody doing on this glorious day? Good, I hope. Good. I'm doing pretty all right. Can't complain. Done with the work day, and it was pouring, and now it's sunny. As I'm cruising nice and slow past this area here, because of the reason I'll disclose later. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking puddle action. All these people are going so slow. Gonna get around everybody real quick, because why not? Introduction is rather long this time, but these things happen. My damn gloves are wet, my damn jacket is wet, everything is wet. And this person, I presume, is going straight, this big truck here, because they ain't got no turn signals going, so fuck them. So one piece of news that is pretty major is I finally created a Patreon site. If you guys are not familiar with Patreon, it's an amazing website that basically allows for content creators, video creators, and all sorts of other whatever social medias to get paid for the work that they do. And basically you as viewers can pledge money, like a monthly pledge towards a channel, and it can just be like $1 or something a month, or I think that's the least you could do. Yeah, but people have been telling me about it for a little bit, and I actually finally hooked it up, which is kind of cool. And I already had somebody sign up immediately, so that was very encouraging. So Courtney, thank you so much for being the first person on there. So yeah, take a look in the link below at my Patreon and see what you think, and make suggestions and whatnot, and it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be all right. And I'm gonna get around everybody nice and calm, nice and slow, because this person here doesn't realize the difference between different lanes. My ass is just getting fucking soaked. Ah, son of a bitch. Oh, that's that super low fucking stance Lexus. This thing right here. That's that stanced Lexus life. Interesting. But anywho, yeah, Patreon. I'm curious to see how it works out, because I would love to you know, it's essentially like donations. People can donate towards your channel, and I would love to see if that performs well at all. And I mean, ideally I'd love for this to be my full-time job and not like something I do after I work all day. How amazing would that be? But obviously that would require a lot more effort, and which I'm willing to put in 100%. And I'm just excited for this year because there's going to be a lot of camping content. I don't know if a lot of you are into camping or not, but I sure am, and there's going to be a ton of camping going on this year for sure. Not only is it cold, it's also wet. What a great combination. I'm really over this 40-degree bullshit. It's goddamn springtime. It's April. It's like end of April, literally. What is happening here? I don't know. It's literally end of April and we're still dealing with 30 degrees. Unacceptable. Also unacceptable keeping a fucking gap like this. Why? Oh, I tell you why. Because people are rude and they don't give a patooey. That's why. That's why. And yeah, my ass is legit hanging out, and it's cold and it's wet. Great times. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my camera is about to die, so I just want to say thank you for watching, and check out my Patreon, and then I will talk to you soon. This has always been an awesome ride, and I'm so happy the weather is warming up and it's almost camping time. Oh yes, 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 yes. Keep it fresh. It's pretty funny, I just saw a cop break the law while another person is breaking the law in front of him. If I did something like that, I would get tickets. Anywho, good times. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye. There was going to be a word of the Russian word of the day today too, and that word